The Audio Meters panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is a crucial tool for monitoring and ensuring the quality of your audio levels during playback and editing. Here's what it does. 1. Monitor audio levels. It provides a visual representation of your audio levels in real time. You can see the volume of your audio tracks as they play back, which helps you ensure that your audio is not too loud, which can cause distortion, or too quiet. 2. Check for clipping. The meters help you identify clipping, which occurs when audio levels are too high and exceed the maximum threshold, causing distortion. The red indicators will alert you to any clipping issues. 3. Track mixes. You can monitor individual audio tracks or the overall mix. This is useful for balancing the different elements in your audio mix, such as dialogue, music, and sound effects. 4. Stereo and surround monitoring. The Audio Meters panel can display levels for stereo, multi-channel surround, or other audio configurations, depending on your project settings. This ensures that your mix sounds good across different playback systems. 5. Customizable display. You can customize the display of the audio meters to suit your preferences, such as changing the scale or the type of metering. The Audio Meters panel is essential for maintaining high audio quality in your projects, helping you create a professional-sounding final product.